Best places to download free music and sound effects. In your browser, go to YouTube Studio panel and click on Creator Music. Click on Browse tab. Set price to 0. Also, you can filter music if you want. Listen to music tracks, and if you like them, click on 3 dots button and choose View Usage Details. Here you can see the license of this track and what you should do if you used it in your video. Click on Download button to download it. YouTube Studio also has some sound effects too. From genre, choose Sound Effects. From Sound Effects tab, search for the audio you want and download it. Another place to download music is Pixabay website. Go to pixabay.com and click on Music link. If you like a music, click on Download button. Also, you can see its license in the opened window. From this drop-down, choose Sound Effects. Find the sound effect you're looking for and download it. Another place to download free music is some YouTube channels like NCS channel. Open a video of this channel and in the description you can find its license, and what you should do if you want to use this track. Another place to find sound effects is in DaVinci Resolve itself. Open up Sound Library panel. From drop-down, choose Fairlight Sound Library and search for a sound effect. You have to download this library first.